Hey everyone, in this video I will discuss about the Relevance AI and CrewAI, which AI tool saves you more times in 2025. Looks to build smart AI agents in 2025 but don't know whether to use Relevance AI or CrewAI. In this quick video, I will break down the key differences and help you decide which one saves you more time. What is Relevance AI? Relevance AI is a low-code platform, meaning you don't need to be a programmer to build powerful AI agents. It has a visual builder, lets you deploy your agents quickly, and even supports multi-AI models like OpenAI and Anthropic. If you are short on time and want to build something fast, this is your tool. Visual builder, hosted agents, drag and drop is good for non-developers. Next, what is CrewAI? Now, CrewAI is totally different. It is open source and designed for developers. You build agents in Python and assign them different rules to work together like a real AI team. It's more flexible, but you will need some coding skills and more setup time. Open source, full control for devs, custom frameworks, not idea for beginners. So which one actually saves you more time? If you want to launch agents fast without writing code, go with Relevance AI. But if you are building complex custom AI team and you are comfortable with Python, Crew AI gives you more control, though it takes more time upfront. Here is a bonus tip for you. Relevance AI also includes built-in deployment tools like site chatbots, APIs, and scheduling. CrewAI does not include those out of the box. You will have to build them yourselves. So Relevance AI for speed, CrewAI for flexibility. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.